Hey guys, welcome back to the 12 days of Craftmas. Today we are going to be making these scenic lanterns. Welcome back. So I have been doing a lot of crafts, so I have craft stuff everywhere. Disregard my workspace, but today we're going to be making these easy peasy scenic lanterns, and just like this one that you all saw in the intro, which is a Christmas tree and some presents there. Really all we're gonna need is a lantern and some little miniature decor of your choice. Now, I picked up these for $2. All three of them were $2 from Hobby Lobby. I've had these for a few years. These are miniatures for like the little Christmas towns. Hope y'all can see those. Yeah, so these are little Christmas town miniatures, a park bench, a park light, some different things like that. So I am really just gonna kind of play around until I get a scene that I like. The first thing that I'm gonna do, because this is going to be an outside scene in the winter, we have some snow. Now I have two different kinds of snow. You can use whatever you want. I have this like felt cloth, and then I also have this, which I've had for a while, which is just the which is just the plastic shavings. But the plastic shavings, sometimes they get kind of messy, and these that I have are kind of clear, so I really wanted my snow to show up, so I went ahead and got this backing. So we're just going to make this fit right in the bottom, and I probably will still put some of my plastic shavings on top once I get everything in, but I do want to just make sure that the bottom looks good. What I'm going to do first is kind of play around with my scene and get an idea. Of course, I already know all three of my trees are not going to fit, but I want to get an idea of placement. So, oh, that's cute. So once you get an idea of your placement, what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to go ahead and hot glue my items in place, because I know I got kids and they might pick it up or bump into it, and I don't want everything falling over, and then I'm constantly having to go in and adjust my scene. So I'm just going to hot glue everything in place. I'm gonna start with my tree, just gonna put a little at the bottom. Now, I was thinking about gluing the snow onto the bottom of the lantern, but I don't want to do that because I like to change my mind. Next year I might want to do something different, and it will be easy just to take the whole scene out just by lifting the snow up. So I'm not going to hot glue that down. And there you go. And then just as an added touch, I'm going to take some of that plastic snow shavings I have, and we're just going to sprinkle them all in the bottom. Really simple craft that you are able to do with just a few items. And so here is the tree with the little presents in there, and I actually made those boxes, so stay tuned because I'm going to show you how to make little miniature presents and big presents, actually whatever size you want. If you want them big, if you want a miniature like this, I will be showing you how to make those. And then here is the park scene.